I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind?
Hey guys, Trucks and Water here, and before we get this video started, I do want to dedicate this video to my grandma and grandpa on my dad's side. They live about 1,000 miles away from us, but huge shout out to them. They've always supported the channel and watched me and stuff like that. But anyways, y'all saw in the beginning of this video, I finally got my suspension lift for Brooke, my 2022 Toyota Tacoma SR5 4-wheel drive V6. So what kit did I get? Well, as you can see, I got some beefness. This is very beefy. What I got was the 3.5-inch lift level kit from Rough Country with the upgraded Vertex coil shocks and the Vertex rear bypass shocks with the remote reservoirs. 10-way adjustability clicks on these guys. This kit is freaking phenomenal. I am wrapping the stock wheels though for now in the Falcon Wild Peak AT3s. Great tire. I have people that have run these before. They swear up and down by them. This is a 285. It's a 285 75 R16. So it'll go onto my stock wheels for now. Now I am getting a show setup for the truck, so don't worry about that, guys. But as a daily setup slash winter setup, this is what I'm gonna go with. Of course, we have the box of the upper control arms. All the other hardware need be for this kit are right in these boxes, and here's the other shocks for the truck front and rear. But as you can see, guys, it is completely beefed up. This suspension kit is no freaking joke. I mean, this coil alone is absolutely massive. They have these coils for, I think, leveling, 2-inch level all the way up to the 6-inch lift kit for the Tacoma. So you don't have to get the 3.5-inch lift, but this is basically the best bang for your buck to get your Tacoma lifted up off the ground, run some bigger tires, and or run some wider tires, which again, that'll be coming later on down the road. The same thing with the rear, guys. It is a bypass shock with remote reservoir, 10-way adjustability. I mean, guys, these things are absolutely massive. I mean, absolutely huge compared to the stock stuff on the truck and their other offerings. Now, you can get different shock packages. You don't have to do the full upgrade to the coilovers. I highly recommend it because you'll get a better ride quality out of it. You got adjustability depending on what you're doing with the truck at the time and stuff like that. Now, like I said, these are an all-terrain tire. Supposed to be pretty low on road noise. We'll check that out. The next video will be the truck completely done. I will be doing an MPG test because that's basically, it's just under a 33-inch tall tire. It's like a 32.5 or 32.8, I guess, somewhere around there. Basically a 33. I will be doing an MPG run to see how much it affects my MPG, even though I've got the cold air intake and the hotter coils on it. But I can't be any more excited, guys. This is gonna look so good on this truck. I cannot wait to get this on the truck. I've read a bunch of stuff on the internet about these this lift kit. Everyone seems to absolutely love it. It rides better than factory, especially if you set up the clickers right on it. And yeah, so I want to give a huge shout out to AST Off-Road, my buddy Colt. He's the one that got me this kit, guys, shipped it up to the house. Unfortunately, his company will not be able to install it. I have to have Fox Toyota down the road install it to keep my warranty on my Tacoma, which is not a big deal. I understand. I want to keep the warranty. That's why I bought a brand new truck, so I want to keep the warranty. So, but that being said, I'm not saying I won't be down there here in a couple months to get something else for this truck that they're going to be installing on this truck. But huge shout out to them. If you're in the Newnan, Atlanta that area, Georgia area, and you need your truck lifted, wheels and tires, whatever you all need, hit them up. Like I said, guys, they are enthusiasts like you and me watching this video. This is not a shop that's like, oh my god, another kid coming in that wants a lift kit on his truck, or why wheels and tires, or I don't really care. These guys care, and they will give you the best prices possible for your stuff. I want to thank them so much for being on board with this build. Can't thank them enough. This stuff was shipped up as fast as possible. Tires took a little bit of time because it came from like a different warehouses, unfortunately, but that was not due to Colt's fault. He gave me the tracking order information. I was watching it the whole time, but it's gonna be absolutely epic, guys. I can't be any more excited, honestly. I really cannot be any more excited to get this kit on the truck, get it looking good. It's gonna be freaking awesome. So thank you all so much for watching this quick little video. If you liked the video, leave a like. New to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing, changing, trying new and better things. I hope you all have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.